Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily clear your disk space inside your cPanel. Sometimes our hosting shows this type of message: your disk usage limit has exceeded. As you can see, I have 10 GB disk space and I am using 12 GB of space, and I don't have any space left, which why my website is not working properly. So how do we clean the disk space? It is very simple. Just click on this disk uses from your cPanel or hosting settings. So once you open it, as you can see, it is showing up that which folder is taking the most space. As you can see, there are all the folders, the main website and others. But the main website in this case is only taking 300 MB, but the most space, that 8 GB of space, is going to this temp folder. So what is this temp folder? This temp folder is something that when your visitors visits your website, it is kind of like a sketch disk. So what you have to do is the delete the content inside this temp folder, not the temp folder itself. Okay, so let's do it. So in this case, just click on here and open link in new tab, and then delete all the content inside this temp folder, and do not delete the temp folder itself. Okay, so after you deleted it, now as you can see, previously I had 12 gigabyte in use, but now I only have 4 gigabytes in use. I have cleared up 8 GB of space. This way you can easily detect which of your folder is taking the most space, and this way you can free up your cPanel or hosting space, and you don't have to buy more or buy or upgrade hosting. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just comment.